Hello and welcome to City Trekker. My name's Adam and I will be your guide as we aim to find the right gear for the right task for you. Today's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do an unboxing of the Black Ember Forge Max. Let's open it up. Hold on, we don't need an intro video. We're just doing an unpacking today. So we'll get right to it. Don't kill the music though. Like, give us a little something, something. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, there we go. That's it. So we're gonna get into the Black Ember Forge Max. This is an unboxing, but there's no box. They said there would be a box with the Kickstarter campaign that I did. Not a box, got a bag. So we're gonna open this bag. We got the nice logo here on the front. And then all the mailing. Don't look at my mailing stuff. All right, so we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna use my Gerber knife here to very carefully open this up. I don't want to get into the materials of the bag, so we're just gonna open at the seams where we can find them. Can we edit forward just a little bit here? That'd be. So I just want to be careful not to get into the actual fabric of the bag as I'm opening this. I kind of wish they would have done a box, but I understand, you know, shipping tends to be a lot less expensive if you do a bag like this. Ooh, starting to see some fabric. All right, so there's a bag in the bag in the bag. All right, so I got enough of this open. I'm gonna get it out here. All right. Got a few elements here. So this is the main bag inside another plastic bag. So I'm just going to open it up. Ah! All right. I don't recommend using a huge knife like this. It's overkill and I don't want to hurt the bag and I don't want you to hurt yourself. So be careful opening this thing up. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh, there's a bag in the bag in the bag in the bag. So we have this plastic bag revealing this nice black, little subtle, very subtle logo on the front of this. This is just a soft bag. Oh, there's even a drawstring at the top. That's kind of nice. Classy. Very classy, Black Ember. All right. Now we're going to open the bag to reveal the bag. The Black Ember Forge. This is a fine looking premium product right here. I am looking forward to getting into this. All right, at the top we've got this tag from Black Ember, and it really is just that, just very subtle branding. It just has their logo on it, and that'll be easy to take off with this little chain here. I want to start talking about the features of the bag. That's not the purpose of this video. We're going to do another video where I get into the bag and the details of the bag. This is just an unboxing so you can see what it looks like. It's not an unboxing, it's an unbagging. Oh, the straps are hidden in here. Oh, we're going to have some fun getting into this. All right, all right, all right. Okay, I am not going to get into the features of this bag. I'm not going to get into the materials and everything. That will be in the next video that we'll be posting in about a day or two. All right, I'm going to put the knife away. So this is the bag, and then we've got this little card from Black Ember. Let's read what it says. When we started out to create our own signature waterproof bags, we had one thing in mind: create urban travel packs that would be perfect for your everyday, no matter where the day would take you. Black Ember is an independent design studio that designs and develops innovative technical packs made for urban lifestyles. We utilize the world's most advanced materials and construction techniques to create premium performance packs perfect for your everyday. And then if you need help, there's the website for getting instructions and stuff. And then because this is the Black Ember Forge Max, what the Max means is I get 4 of these straps and 1 handle strap. So the handle can go, I believe, at the top and maybe not the side, maybe just the top. So this is the handle. And then we got these straps here. Oh yeah. And all of these have these little, just little cards, has the Black Ember logo on it. It's really subtle, it's embossed. Just kind of a classy touch. I like it. These are a little small. Sometimes I like to take stuff like this from bag companies and use it as a coaster for my beverage. These are a little narrow, so I'm not sure it would work for that. And then here we are, 4 of these straps. These are compression straps that will attach to the bag. I'll show you tomorrow, wait. And they are magnetic. How do they? I am looking forward to getting into this bag, and we will be doing a review for you in the next day or two. We're going to try and knock this out as quickly as possible. Just get it out there and let you see some of the features of this bag. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, unbagging video of the Black Ember Forge Max in black. All right, so that's it for the unpacking, unbagging video. Would love for you to like below and click subscribe to check out the next video that's gonna be a full, extensive review of this bag right here. Until then, I'll see you later.